Hello and welcome to Caching Waves. Today we're going to be doing a macro count on Cardano on the daily, just to show you the potential moves to come. Now, first of all, this is linear scale. If you're working in the scale, it's very difficult to get a wave count. So first of all, we'll switch to log scale. Starting from the March 2020 low, as you can see, we have a pretty clean 5-wave impulse up. We had pretty slight retracements here between the 236 and the 382 for a wave 2, more common in the 4th wave. But if you switch to linear scale and you're trying to catch that wave 2, you can see we hit between the 50 and the 618 on the linear scale. So this is how you can use both scales to help yourself get into an entry. Now for our extensions, for our third, we took our wave 1, extended off the second, hit the 1.618 to the tick, as you can see, 250. We then came up for our 5th wave and we rolled over the top of the channel. I have a modified pitchfork on here. All that is a channel from the start of wave 1 to our second, and that's just projected off our wave 1 high pivot, as you can see. A little easier to guess potential future tops of markets, as you can see, than waiting for the channel to fill out itself. Now, off that, we had what appears to be a triple zigzag to me, which is possible in the beginning of a flat correction. So I have this as a proposed flat. We had a triple zigzag A, and then we had a triple zigzag here, which would be a wave 1 of an ending diagonal. Ending diagonals can have single, double, or triple zigzags in each wave. It's pretty much the only way I can count this wave as a triple zigzag. As you can see, ABC, ABC, ABC. Now from there, we're looking for a solid retracement area of this wave. This is the 50, which we've ticked through, and it appears we still have some resolution we need to do to complete. So our next fib is the 618 down here at 12.75 cents on log scale, which is still about a 50% drop from here. Zooming in closer, we have some extensions to show you here. So off our proposed 1-2, these are our extensions in white. We'd expect our third to come to around the 618 extension, wave 1 off the 2, which is at 16.65, as you can see. As for time, we would expect time, we take our fib time extension of wave 1 off the 2, about 618 of that, which is right here around Friday, September 22nd. You can see that's coming up very shortly, so we'd have to move pretty quick here. See, we got a zigzag here, zigzag potentially finishing up here. Could get another triple zigzag. We're running out of time on this. Again, time is more of a guideline than a rule, but somewhere between the 618 and the 100 is more than all right. Now our extensions of this zigzag at the 1-to-1 is close to the 618. That's an orange, between 16.5 and 18 cents. So that's the area I'd look for our third wave to come in, and then our 4th, and then our 5th. And as you can see, usually in a ending diagonal, I target the 618 and then the 786 to the 1-to-1 for our wave 5. As you can see, that 786 lines up with that 618 of the larger wave retracement pretty much to the T there. And that also extends from our A to our B for our C at the 1.618 there in red. So a lot of confluence in that area between 12.5 to 13 cents. Now, if this doesn't play out and we come up higher, this could turn into a flat potentially. And what that would look like is we'd get a larger correction in between here, something like this, and then we would make our C wave down, and this would become a complex ABC correction. So that's something to be aware of if we do break the trend line here. As you can see, this is the trend line. We came close to breaking it here, but if we do make this ending diagonal, it can be a false breakout, and then we drop back into our ending diagonal channel. Just something to be aware of. So as of right now, not looking for longs in Cardano, waiting for some resolution. And if we do come higher here, I can't see how this could be a low. Right now, this is the low, and as you can see, it's pretty clearly a three-wave pattern. So I'd expect this to be a 3, 3, 5 or a WXY, and then more downside if we do get some relief up here to like 50 cents-ish. At that point, I'd be looking for a short. So there's the options, guys. I just wanted to make you aware of all those options, and this will be exciting coming up for a potential long, but still a ways to go. If you have any questions, please leave them below. I will be updating this on the micro for scalp trades and updating this when we're closer to a bottom. So be sure to hit that bell if you want to get those videos right away. Thanks for watching, guys.